Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android phone overheating in 2026. For that, what you can do is remove any bulky cases that may be protecting your device. The other thing that you can do is turn off unused settings, like if you're using Wi-Fi, do not turn on mobile data. If you're not using Bluetooth, you can toggle it off too. The other thing that you can do is head over to your quick settings, head over to your app drawer and force close all apps, which also helps in cooling your device. The other thing that you must do is move to a shaded area and let it rest. You can also keep it in front of a fan, but never put your phone in a fridge or a freezer. The rapid temperature change will cause internal moisture damage. The other thing that you can do is check for software updates, as older software may be causing your phone to overheat. For that, head over to settings. Once you're here, simply tap on system updates, and if there are any updates, you can simply update your device, which may also solve your overheating problem. If your phone overheats too much and you're not even multitasking, it may be a hardware issue and you may have to visit the service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.